What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we back, baby. Today, we got some good old steak. And then, of course, I'm going to make a side dish to go with it. Y'all going to have to stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe, comment, and share. Hit that post notification bell so you can know every time I post a video. Now, let's get it going. I'm going to just put this in there for right now. That's a lie. I'm gonna try a new method, see if it works. See if it works better. Just a little bit of oil at the bottom. That's just canola oil. Not canola, vegetable oil. There we go. I'm gonna try a new method. When it starts boiling, I'm gonna season the pan, the bottom of the pan, so when I put the steak on, the seasoning attaching to it. Bottom real nice. And then y'all, I'll be back when it gets hot. Back. We got this pan right here. Put it down like that. Okay. Grab this butter. Grab this pan. I mean, not pan. Grab the silverware. And let me scoop out a mince knife. Y'all see, because it's not refrigerated in this truck. Only have a freezer. Don't have enough room for a refrigerator. I don't have room for a refrigerator, so I only have a freezer. Because when I was in my other truck and I had the refrigerator and the freezer, oh, it was horrible. Plus, this freezer is bigger than my last one when I was in with the other company. So I always had to have that on my passenger seat and fridge in the middle, and I'm not doing all that. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna put plenty of butter at the bottom. I'm gonna melt the butter now. I'm gonna have y'all on this whole time, so be patient, okay? I'm showing y'all every step of what I'm making. I'll just put it on bake. I don't want to put it on air fry, because when you put it on air fry, the air actually tosses this light ass pan around. So we're gonna put it in for about good 30 seconds. You feel me? Wipe that off. Because it's still at room temperature, but it gets hot fast. It's gonna heat up fast, y'all. Yeah, back to this steak, man. This steak, tell me this ain't a good looking steak, y'all. It's an Angus choice. Big baby too. Yeah. Let me show y'all how I do this in here. Of course, I do it better at home, but this is my home for right now. As y'all know, I live the trucker's life. I live in this thing. So that's why I do things the way I do. It's because I have to live in here. Because if I didn't, it wouldn't be easy. But hey, you guys, if you guys have TikTok, look me up on there. I'm at Truckerslife 78. And I'm going to start posting my day in the life on TikTok. And I'm gonna start a questionnaire on there. Well, I said this on here a long time ago, but there ain't nobody sent me no questions to my IG or my Twitter, both at Truckerslife78. There you go. That's how you get at me on social media. If y'all have any questions, whether it be, I got some stories about some lot lizards that, nah, it ain't personal. I ain't never been with one, but it's about stuff I've seen while being at a truck stop, or because, man, y'all see some stuff at these truck stops. I done seen, man. Matter of fact, I'll tell you one right now. Just a quick one. Quick little story right here on the spot. Okay. I put up to a truck stop. I believe I was in North Las Vegas. I pull up. I'm just sitting in the front smoking a cigarette, you know what I mean? smoking a cigarette, ain't closed my curtains yet. So I'm sitting there, all of a sudden it gets dark, and it's like a wave of hoes. A wave of hoes come out, right? And when I say hoes, I'm talking about lot lizards. They come out, and they just bombard the parking lot. This is a big-ass truck stop. It's in North Las Vegas. It was a Petro in North Las Vegas. I remember the exact one. So, we there, right? And I'm sitting there, and I see this chick. Nasty looking chick, old lady. Well, not old, but I'm saying she looked older than probably she was. I ain't gonna lie. But she climbs in the truck with a driver. Well, of course she walks up, knocks on the thing, whatever they say. I don't know. They don't approach me. Because I don't play that shit. I give dirty looks immediately. But she climbs into this truck. I'm sitting there like, okay. You see the truck rocking. They doing what they do. This is the part that's about to gross you out. I forgot to mention it's raining outside. This chick gets out of the truck with that driver. And what does she do? She squats over a fucking puddle. Rinses off her cootie cat with the puddle water. Rinses it off. And then she takes, hand scoops of it and rubs it on her face to get the extra man snot off her face. You feel me? And I'm sitting there just, after I see this, I'm laughing. No joke. It took her about 30 seconds to get all the man snot and clean herself out. Well, she did it. She cleaned herself off. And she walked straight to the puddle, did that. Yeah. We already established that one. She, no joke, gets done. Hikes her skirt back down. Fixes her little strapless tube top she had on. And I'm just sitting there laughing to myself. Actually, I'm not even laughing to myself. I'm just laughing. There's a black guy next to me. We sitting there talking shit out the window to each other about it. Yeah, I just put the steak in. We're getting a rib cap, that fat cap seared. But I look up. About 4 trucks down, she climbs in another one. And I'm sitting there, I'm like, that's the point I'm at right now, right? She gets out of that one, she walks to the same puddle, does the same thing. As soon as I saw that, I immediately closed my things. I get back here, I start cooking dinner. This is before I started my channel. But yeah, that was gross. It was disgusting. It was heartbreaking, to be honest, because no joke, and no disrespect to my ex-wife, but she was about the same age as my ex-wife, which is a little older than me. My ex-wife is 45. I'm 36. But yeah, that's the end of that story. That's just one story, you know what I mean? We go through some stuff out here on this road, y'all. We don't choose to deal with that. I choose not to be honest. Here we go. We're gonna take this. Oh shoot, I need the knife. I need a sharp knife. Right there. Okay. Put this up there. Grab a plate. I don't need the whole thing, so I'm gonna save some of them. I'm gonna refreeze probably most of them, to be honest. Probably only gonna use, well, you know what, I'll use all of them. Fuck it, I'll just reheat them tomorrow. Shit. Y'all hear that steak sizzling? Hear that steak sizzling? And what you do, just take it, line it up as even as you can. You don't want some that much bigger than others. So you cut down the middle on this side. Take that side, pull it off. And there you go, you got your halves, okay? If y'all want to hear some more stories, like I got horror stories, I got bad stories, I got good stories, I got funny stories, like, man. Like I'm gonna tell y'all one thing, if y'all want to be a truck driver, do not be a truck driver if you get insulted by seeing a lot of man pieces. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Sorry, I had to turn the steak, season that side. Now, steak is ready, it's cooking. So I'm gonna leave that alone. I just gotta wait for because I'm in a truck. If I was on the grill, it'd only be about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. But because I'm in a truck and this thing only gets about 300 degrees, I'll wait for about 20 minutes to flip it, which I know y'all gonna, I'm gonna hear it in the thing, but I know how to do these. There we go. We're gonna take it like this. Y'all see we cut them in four. It's how many edges is on here for. Exactly. Thank you. This one. We're just gonna kind of spread them out so they don't bunch up and try to cook like one big piece. Because all these are gonna expand as they cook, as y'all know, if y'all made biscuits before. Out, then I'm gonna put some in front. Yeah, you also heard that horn? Try hearing that at night while you sleep. That's another thing. Man, I'm telling y'all, I got some stories for y'all. But y'all ain't been asking no questions, so let me know. Let me know if y'all want to hear them. If y'all ain't interested, y'all can say that too. Smell the garlic roasted. You know what? I might save the rest, and because you got to leave a pocket in the middle for the dip. So what I'm gonna do? Oh no, might be okay. One more. Going over the oven right there. See? We got that pocket in the middle. I'm gonna put that up there. Where I put that bag at? It's up here. I left it on the seat, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. I almost forgot one of the most important parts, y'all. I gotta melt some more butter. Got a lot of butter for this part. There we go. And so it blends with the steak better. Only season I'm gonna put in it is a steak blend. Y'all can put, I've done it with garlic and parsley. I've done it with lime cilantro seasoning. You guys can choose your seasonings. But just wait, we're not done yet. Put that steak seasoning in there. You don't want too much. But this is not super salty, but it is salty still. And here's this right here. With this, we're just gonna take some cream cheese. Did I grab my? Still forgot the damn cheese. See, y'all know I gotta have my creamy milk. I got one last time I used that damn whole bag in 2 days. But y'all saw it, that's right, y'all saw it. Y'all know I love my cheese. Even though my fat ass is lactose intolerant, stupid as I should say. But we gonna be okay. The steak is still cooking, y'all. It's still sizzling. There we go. Grab this cream cheese, right? Grab a whole bunch of it out. Right in the middle. Right there. There we go. There we go. Put that in there. Grab the sour cream. Y'all see, it's just a Walmart brand. Nothing special. Put a couple of gallons of this on here. This is going to help loosen it up so it's not stiff. And then we're going to put the cheese right here. Cheese right here. Turn that off so that don't brown the butter too much. You want that brown flavor to the butter, but not burnt. Push it down a little bit to kind of get it in the air. There we go. Then you can sprinkle a little bit of cheese around it. This is what I like to do. This is my extra little touch. Just a little bit. You don't want to put too much, but you still want to be able to dip it. There we go. And then what you do, you just take this butter. See how it's browned just a little bit. And then the seasonings is all in there too. Just take it and drizzle over the top. Just real like that. Just like that. Just drizzle it. You don't want to dump it. When you dump it, you're going to get it all in one spot. You want to drizzle it slowly. All the way around. Because it's got the garlic, the paprika, all that stuff in that. See? See? There you go. You want to get a good amount over the sour cream stuff though. There we go. And then we're going to put it in here at 350 for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes. We're going to leave it alone. Now we take the steak. And let's see what kind of crust we got on this side of the steak. Look at that. Boom. Look at the timestamp. I told you 20 minutes, right? Yeah. We got close. Close to 20. And then I'm going to take a little bit of seasoning. I don't have to do that much because it was cooked in it, but I'm still going to do a little bit. If you're a trucker, follow along. Take notes. But this is going to leave a perfect medium rare steak. At the worst, medium. And that's me promising you. But hey, y'all, now the food just got to cook. I've shown you how to do everything. But hey, now you can see my ugly eyes. It is what it is. I'll leave that right there. Good. This is what a live stream of mine would look like. So get me up to that what I need on TikTok or on YouTube, so I can start doing lives, because that would be fun to be able to interact with people. Hey, and the main thing I'm gonna tell y'all right now, y'all not sharing me at all. Y'all ain't sharing my content with nobody, because I ain't got not one share notification. Not one. Not one. Hey, let's step it up, y'all. Let's do this. I'll be back. All right, y'all, let's check the steak out. Got my lovely tongs. I gotta turn this because we gotta check it out. Not quite ready, y'all. Not quite. Not quite. Almost. I need to get some char on it and let it cook a little bit more. As y'all can see, this thing cooks slow compared to, this thing cooks slow compared to other conventional pots and pans on the stove. So we're gonna keep it rolling, and I'm gonna keep this going. But I will be back soon. I love y'all. All right, y'all. We just took the biscuits out. You got to see they nice and crispy on top. So what we're gonna do, because you know we love that cheese pull, and that cheese on top is crunchy, toasted in, lovely. We're gonna sprinkle some more cheese on top, and we only gonna put it in for about another 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes is all we're gonna do on this. It's crazy to think that this is just biscuit dough cut into pieces or chunks. Oh, I love this cheese. If y'all ever had this cheese, hit me up in the comments and let me know. Because this is my favorite cheese right here. You can use this cheese for anything. And when it melts, oh, you're going to see right now. Hold on. I'll be back in a little bit to show y'all. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I go live. Every time, not live, but every time I post a video. Hey, we there. And I'm only gonna put it on 3 minutes. And then with this steak, because it's almost done. Actually, it's not, because it's just starting to bleed on the top. Let me turn that off real quick. Hey, this is part of living in the truck, y'all. You learn quick signs. The bottom is pretty cooked. That's why it's bleeding up the top. So what you do, this last flip is the only time you cover it. The only time, if you live in a truck, you'll learn quick. You want to turn it to that hot spot. As close to the hot spot as you can get it. Take it, put it there. Let that top get that crust on it. So what I mean by the crust only develops after it starts to lose the heat off the top. The crust is going to develop. It's going to not be soggy. It's going to be the crispy edge, the crispy part. The firm part, I should say, not crispy, the firm part. Because I like my meat tender. I like the outside crisp, but the inside nice and tender and juicy. Y'all gonna see when I cut this thing. Alright. What's up, y'all? We got the steak out, letting it rest, baby. And while that rests, we gonna check this out real quick. Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see that, don't you? Y'all see that, don't you? Oh, shit. This is a cheese bread. Tell me what y'all think. Be honest. Tell me. Would you want that? I know I would. But hey, I'm gonna hit that record button in about 4 minutes. And I'll be back. Alright, y'all, we back. Let me pause this real quick. Let me pause that real quick. Let me show y'all the masterpiece we made tonight. I'm gonna take this. Did y'all see? That's just fat on the edge right there. Come straight through. Boom. Nice, beautiful steak. Yes, sir. More of a medium. Like I said, at the worst it'll be a medium. That's what it is. I like my medium rare, but sometimes it's hit and miss. I ain't gonna lie, I got distracted, but it is what it is. Nice medium. And even the fat, look, I'll take the fat. Melt in your mouth. Okay, we got the steak cut up and established. We're gonna put this up here for a sec. And we're gonna show y'all this. So we're gonna just do this right here. I'm gonna take this chunk right here. Right on the edge. As y'all can see, it's right here. We just take it. That cheese pull. Look at that cheese. Oh, sorry, y'all can't see the cheese pull. There we go. Creamy, buttery. You can taste the seasoning. Oh man, this is delicious. But hey, this trucker's life. I gotta eat. So, holla.